On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to Saturnifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. To attend classes. To go to the classes. Only 6 students attended the class. To take an intensive course. An intensive course involves a lot of activity, effort, or careful attention to reach a goal in a short period of time. He's taking a 1-week intensive course in English. Bachelor's degree. A first university degree which usually lasts 3 to 4 years. She graduated in 2022 with a bachelor's degree in accounting. Face-to-face classes. Classes where you study with other students and a teacher. What are the advantages of face-to-face classes? A single-sex school. A school where only boys or girls attend. My daughter goes to a single-sex school. Well done, everyone! Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.